Recent investigations including the generation of Japan and eating and physical activity of the Gen Z Alpha, the effect of gamma aminobutyric acid on the cognition of older Filipino adults funded by the Philippine Council for Health, Research and Development, and the country level
at mga graduates na I think my goal tonight is to inspire you. And I really hope that I will be able to deliver that task. It's a very important task. Okay? Before I begin, gusto ko muna i-shout out at mga importante na tao sa buhay ko because I never had the chance to do that. Shout out sa mama ko, nasa likod, really maikot, but thank you, Ma, for all your pagsisikap para matapos ako. Salamat. I never had the chance to thank you for salamat, Ma. Being here tonight is for you, and syempre kami ko na ako mga bata to travel with me from Miguel na hindi nagkakaroon sa recognition ng bata ko kasi she thought that this is more important than her recognition. Maybe important. So thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tia. And I also want to shout out sa husband ko kasi we are on FB Live. So hi, Baba. Jordan Kubat, he's my high school sweetheart. Yes, and whatever. He is from Section G, the hyper section Betty. Shout out sa inyo. Shout out also to my former teachers. Ang galing niya, I learned. Palagi ko sila nagsisirili sa bayan. Palagi ko sila nagtutuloy sa eskwelahan. Pagdating sa nagkakarilate. Sabi niya rin na po, nagawag pa para outing. Ano ba ba? Kaya magsimula ako pa doon, hindi ako use sa publiko. Nagsasabi mga naglalakaw. Okay? Oo pa, ang high school life ko, ako pa kasi yung mga barkada ko, who accepted me for who I am. Hindi ko na sister to accept someone before kasi wish ko, kapalo ko lang, optimism, confidence, and faith. Siguro mga paano, mga lola ko, tsaka ko, I found good friends in me. I was an active member of the church for 4 years. Siguro kaya medyo hindi pa na ako. Kung nag-school sa freedom. Sa UP, punong-puno sa freedom. Everyone is free to do their own thing. Kaya nakaka-abuse minsan ang freedom na yun. I hope you'll be able to learn from that. Ang freedom ginagamit niya, karapatan, ginagamit niya na ako. Right? Para sa sarili, para sa pamilya, para sa bayan. Kaya sa lahat, nanangarap. So, keep that in your heart, keep that in your things. You don't have to be big. Okay? Hindi mahalaga kung na-achiever ka, kung may medal ka na gabi or wala. Hindi masyado mahalaga. No, I'm not saying that those medals don't have value, but what I'm saying is, grades don't define you. Grades don't define your dream. Isa rin lang natanin mo, I don't know the name of the sir, but everyone who walks up to the station, sabihin niya, good luck, Baba, congratulations, nanay, si sir, natanin mo, isang banda mo. And it was so nice, kasi nararamdaman ko kayo sa students, and I hope you hold on to that. Hold on to that sa mga tao na nag-iwanag sa ako, mga tao na nag-invest sa ako, hold on to that. Okay, how to be, how to be resilient, matatag. How do you do that? Actually, there is no formula to that. You just wake up every day, try to rest. Wala naman kasi formula para magaling matutunay ka eh. You just wake up every day. Take one thing at a time. Pag mahirap, one thing lang, hindi lang pamayin mo kung nila. Hindi lang, hindi lang, mamagala lang ako. Don't push yourself too much, but never lose heart. Okay? You all fail at times. You are not defined by your failures. Kasi hindi ka nabagsak, minsan. Hindi ka nabagsak sa iyo. Congratulations! You are immortal. Okay. Kasi hindi ka nabagsak. Wow! Congratulations! You are immortal. Okay? Siyempre kung nagabagsak ka rin, hindi. Siyempre, hindi. Diba? But what can we do? Try again.
compare yourself with others. It will corrupt your happiness. It will corrupt your confidence. Slowly, nawawala ang katiwala sa sarili mo because you keep on comparing your story with that of others. So guard your heart, guard yourself. Just work on your, be happy for others. Journey, the best way, you know how. Kung pagtinda ay steady and way, that's okay. Just work on your own journey. Basta, dili kita nakaapak sin ato kapwa. That's okay. Someday, OFWs, some of you will become domestic helpers, maybe factory workers abroad, caregivers abroad. Is that wrong? No. Be proud of yourself. Pinaghirapan mo yun. Okay? Some will stay here in Bulan. They will become farmers, ano pa, fishermen. Is that even wrong? No. Each one of us has a story to tell. I hope someday may invite ang atong mga friends, kabatch ng mga naging farmers, fishermen. They have their own journey to tell. They have their own inspirational story. Diba? So, I hope your generation will try to make the playing field more equal for each one of us. All of us is our own place under the sun. Okay? Sabi ko nga, okay. So lastly, no one knows everything. Do not be afraid to say, I do not know. I've been working as a scientist, researcher for like 20 years, 22 years. But I am not afraid to say I don't know. Pag may nagkapagsa ako, nakakapagula nila, aram mo yung hero, diba? So, nagkapagsa ako, ibig sabihin, pag ito na nag-aaral, I answer, I don't know, but I be grounded. When I do not know things, I have to acknowledge that. So, no one knows everything, no? Stay grounded. May nabasa ako somewhere that staying grounded means like being like a tree. We stay connected with our roots, kaya nagbalik ako sa bulan. But you also keep on growing at the same time. Stay grounded. Do not forget the people who help you along the way. Do not forget where you came from. Do not forget your friends. Make new friends, but do not forget the old ones, sabi nga nila. Do not forget especially those who were with you when you were at your lowest. Sino nagpautang sa inyo, sino nag-alalay sa inyo. Do not forget them. They are special people. Someday, I hope you remind yourself that you made it because you were not alone in your journey. And I hope that in your journey, you also learn to pay it forward. Okay? Pay it forward. Do something good. Even no matter how small is that. Do something good for the world. Hindi rin kita may kakayahan mag-serve in big or small ways. Honor, excellence, and service. Sabi nga ni UP President Jimenez, aanhin ang husay at dangal kung walang malasakit at pakikipagkapwa-tao. Stay grounded, pay it forward. So, as a closing, again, I would like to convey my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you, dear graduates. I am very proud of you for making it to this day. Together with your parents, loved ones, and teachers, I am cheering each one of you as you take the next step forward. Serve the people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mom Julia, for your examples and for sharing your life experiences. I'm sure these words inspired our graduates.
Valuable service as the testimonial speaker during the 7th graduation ceremony of Bulan National High School with the team, Kabataang Pilipino para sa na bukas ng bagong Pilipinas, thereby contributing to the success of the occasion. Given this 29th day of May 2024 at Bulan National High School, Bulan, Sorsogon. Signed, Mr. Alex A. Rodriguez, School Principal of the Year.
Cruz E. Babon with highest honors to lead the class of 2024 for the Alumni Pledge of Loyalty. My fellow graduates, please stand up. Please raise your right hand and please repeat after me. We, the senior high school graduates of Bulan National High School, do solemnly pledge to remain ever loyal, true to the ideals and principles subscribed to and practiced by this school. We promise to strive and bring more honors and fame to our homes, our alma mater, the Bulan National High School, our community, in our nation. Behind this pledge is our never-ending love, appreciation for, and loyalty to our alma mater, the Bulan National High School. So help me God.
Thank you, everyone. To lead the students in taking their oath of membership to the Bulan National High School Alumni Association, let us welcome Sir Raymond B. Garcia.
Good evening, my dear graduates. Please raise your right hand. I state your name. Being a graduate of the Bulan National High School, do hereby heartedly accept my membership with the Bulan National High School Alumni Association Incorporated. I will abide with and uphold its constitution and bylaws, duly promulgated by its constituted authorities, and whenever I am, I will live up to the noble expectations of the association, the Bulan National High School Alumni Association. Congratulations and good evening.
Thank you, Sir Garcia. Now, as a reminder, wala pong mag-iiwan ng basura sa inyong mga kinauupan. Sabi ni Sir SDS kanina, let us prove that we care for this planet. And now, as our ceremony ends, we would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to all. This event is a testament that your hard work has truly paid off.
Our sincerest gratitude to our guest speakers, faculty and staff, parents, students, and everyone
Mata orang macam dari cellphone. Si Gilson.